Some TPT stores feel very easy to shop. The products make sense. The store feels organized. Buyers naturally know where to go next. Other stores feel harder, more confusing, more scattered, and often buyers leave faster than the seller realizes. Hi, I'm Shelley Antone. I've been selling on TPT for nearly 2 decades, and one thing I eventually realized is this: buyer experience matters far more than most sellers think. Teachers make very fast decisions inside TPT. They are often searching between classes, during planning, or while multitasking. That means buyers are constantly looking for clarity. What is this? Does it fit my needs? What should I look at next? Strong stores help buyers answer those questions quickly. The products feel connected. The categories make sense. The store feels intentional. That reduces friction. And lower friction usually creates better conversion, longer browsing, repeat buyers, and stronger growth over time. But when stores feel scattered, unorganized, or disconnected, buyers often stop exploring, even when the products themselves are good. Honestly, this became much more important as my store continued growing, because eventually I realized buyers needed more than good resources. They also needed clarity. The easier the store felt to shop, the easier it became for buyers to continue moving through the store. That completely changed how I thought about store organization and buyer experience. Sometimes growth problems are not coming from product quality. Sometimes buyers simply experience too much friction inside the store. A lot of TPT stores quietly lose sales because the buyer experience feels harder than it should. If your TPT store feels difficult to grow even though you have strong products, use the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder linked below. It will help you identify what is actually limiting growth inside your store so you can make clear strategic decisions. And in the next video, I'm going to explain why product organization quietly impacts visibility, buyer behavior, and long-term TPT growth. I will see you in the next video.